Hi, welcome to 1 Minute Finance. Now, passive income from stocks is earned through dividend, which is the part of profits which the company give back to their shareholders or the owners. As an owner, what would I feel is my right or I'm entitled to? Well, it's the profit or the dividend, because if I'm one of the owners and if that company makes a profit, I want some of that profit. Now, creating a passive income from dividend is quite easy, but the trick is to find companies with a higher dividend yield so that I earn more on my investment. Now, oftentimes people are quite confused as to where to look, but you can use resources like Investopedia, Yahoo Finance, or Bloomberg, or many others to look at the relevant data regarding a certain firm or an industry which you're interested in. The main reason why some companies would pay a higher dividend than others is because they have excess cash available, which is more than what they require for their working capital requirements, the day-to-day running of the business, and for investments for growth, which these are often quite established big companies who are generating a lot of cash. Because of that, they can give some of it back. Large firms aren't really looking to grow at the same rate as smaller firms, but sometimes smaller firms can also pay a dividend back, because if they perform quite well, they can pay some profits back to their shareholders. So if the company performs well, we get paid more. This is why people differentiate between a growth stock and a dividend stock, because the main difference between these two stocks is that growth stocks are often riskier, smaller companies who are growing way more, and because they're growing a lot, they're not paying dividend as much as dividend stocks, who are often growing much less but have a history of paying a certain level of dividend back to their shareholders.